What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about 13 different stocks today. We're going to go over it real quick. I actually made a video recently, but for some reason it wasn't recording. I might have forgotten to do it, so I'm just going to go over these first ones really quickly. PLTR looks like it broke out, man. Great volume, great candle, broke above your 618. You're probably going up to your 786, 886 area between $29 and $36 very soon. Very, very soon. If you go lower, the lowest that I would give you is to the 618 again, down at about $20.70. That's PLTR. Looks good. Looks like it wants to go up more. ROKU, however, looks bad. It looks like it wants to go down. You can see, I told you I already made a video, right? Potentially down here to a double bottom, a slightly higher low, 786 area, 886 area, the 100 area, anywhere from $47.85 to $38 is very much on the table right now, and potentially lower prices than that. We'll see, but I do think Roku's going lower. Let's talk about mRNA. I got a little held up on the last one anyway, so it's probably best that I'm redoing it. 236, so 382 support, 236 rejections a couple times. Rejected the 382 here, broke below it, confirmed it as resistance. 0.5 support, 382 resistance. Likely, this is a very common structure with going to your 61869 area. So $40, $60, $37 is the next likely area that you're going to go to. And I hope this company just goes to hell. That's enough of that, though. mRNA, SOUN. I hope nobody who has money in it is losing money. I hope you guys get out at the right times and make money, but screw Moderna, man. Screw them in their faces. They are not a force for good. Top to bottom. You could pull back to about 290, but you are in somewhat of accumulation range. This is a nice bit of volume, nice candle movements. I think you're getting ready to move higher. Probably up around $10 or higher, sure. But down maybe from here wouldn't be crazy at all. You're pretty overbought on your RSI. Cool off a little bit and then come back up. Cool off just a little bit. Go back down to about $3 and then move up. That's sound. But maybe you don't. Maybe you don't cool off. Maybe you just continue right up to your 61869 and then cool off. I don't know. But you're pretty hot on your RSI, man. I think you do need to cool off, but who am I to say? SMCI, super microcomputers. This one I did not get to. Everything past this I did not get to, but let's see. Top to bottom here. We are going over... And man, I forgot to say, but we're going to go over SMCI, DWAK, PATH, WKHS, INTC, AI, Tesla, PMTS, and ASTS after this. Shout out to Honcho, David Stevens, Diesel Killer, User, Mr. G, Dr. Mike, and Tony Tacos. Sorry guys, forgot that. I was such in a rush because I'm trying to get this one done, but whatever, it's all good, man. I'm getting them done. Looks really good. Looks really, really good. You're probably going to pull back at some point and have a healthy kind of correction. Back to your 1618 at 472. You could pull all the way back down here, but I doubt it. I very much do doubt it. More likely what you're going to do is a common retracement based off of this fib, which would take you, yeah, maybe around $600. You're at 860 now, so probably down there and then continue upwards. That's my opinion. Or just continue upwards now, but I bet you pull back a little bit from here. Pretty hot on the RSI. Yeah, I think you do. I think you pull back from here. I think it wants to go down. If you're looking to sell, not financial advice, but this might be a last chance to get out before you see significantly lower prices. Not financial advice. It could just continue to go up higher too. DWAC. This is all I got here, user. It looks good, man. It looks really good. I wish I had it yesterday. DWAC. Yeah, man, I'm sorry. Is it a crypto? It's not. I don't know, man. I can't do analysis on that. I'm sorry. PATH. Talking about PATH. UEPath. Looking like it wants to go down. Weekly bearish divergence confirmed. Probably down. Oh, man. How low are you going to go? You might. Oh, man. You might hold that $21 to $22 area. I would think you move back down to about $19, but who knows? Lower nonetheless is where I think you're going. Yeah, lower. A little bit lower. WKHS. You know, there's a saying about W stocks, right? The saying is that they will make you money. They are winners. Not this one, though. Not this one, man. Wow. I remember I actually wanted to invest in this back in the day. When was it? It probably was around this time. That's whenever I heard that W stocks were doing good. But you've been doing bad, man. You've been putting the red workhorse to work. Yeah, man. Lower. Lower. You are going lower, my friend. Lower. Not good at all. Lower. How much lower? I don't know. I really don't know, man. Lower. I think you're going lower. Low to high here. See you at 10 cents. It's my best guess. INTC, and it probably doesn't happen overnight. It probably works its way down as it's been doing. You're in a death spiral right now. INTC looking good on the monthly. Let's see what it looks like on the weekly. Also looking good. Nice to see. Yes, you could move a little bit lower too. You're at $43 now. Maybe you move to $39, $30 or $40. Daily RSI would suggest that you do want to go a little lower in the more immediate term, but the weekly looks nice. I do think you kind of continue this opposite of a death spiral upwards. I bet you do, but for now, down a little bit, just a little bit, and then up. That's INTC. AI C3. High to low. Lower. We'll see you at the 236. Lower. $20. That's where you're going. Yeah. Yep, $20. We'll see you there. AI. I remember I made videos on AI, C3 AI. I don't remember if I was bullish or bearish, but if I was bullish then, I'm bearish now. I'm just saying. Tesla. Ooh, don't do this to me, Tesla. I know I was bullish on you going up to 240. You're making me want to be bearish, kind of here. Rejecting this like gap is not a good look, man. It's not a bad look. You know, it can still play out. You know, you haven't really rejected it too much yet, but do not go too much lower, man. You can go lower, don't close too much lower. I already don't like where you're closing now. You're in a delicate place right now. Because if you break this structure, which you're not yet, but you're close to, if you break this higher low structure, you will likely not move to 240. In fact, you will probably move down to like 150 or lower. It's possible. Oh man, I don't like that. Rejected the 40. I don't like that at all, man. Previous area of support rejected. Oh wow. Wow. You guys, bets might be off for Tesla going to 240 or higher. I know I was talking about it breaking to the upside. I think it's going lower, man. I think it has lower to go. Wow. That can change. Get above 205. You know, close above 205 on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, whatever. I don't like it right now, though. I really don't like it right now, man. Yeah, it just looks worse the more. Wow, yeah. We'll see you at 150. 140 to 150, man. It's not what anybody wants to hear, but yes, I very much do believe it wants to go there. Not a good look, guys. You need to get above $200 fast. It's not a good look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you could be breaking it, man. You could be. I did not expect that. PMTS. Wish I talked about it sooner, man, because that's. I know my last videos I was bullish on it, but things change. Sometimes things change in just a week, and that's basically what happened, man. Top to bottom there. 382 double top on that 382 there, looking good. Probably wants to go higher. We'll see it at like $28 to $30, I think. Probably. Daily looks fine. I like it, yeah. We'll see you up at like $28 to $31, somewhere around there. That's PMTS. Let's see, real quick. A bit of an unconventional consolidation range. Again, that's kind of like, what was it, PLTR? Kind of like that, I think. Lower lows in your monthly RSI, higher lows on your price. Hidden bullish divergence in an uptrend is especially powerful. Yeah, man, looking good, looking productive. Probably does move higher. How much higher? I don't know, but Dr. Mike seems to be under the impression that we could see some explosive price action very soon with this thing. And it could be, man. Again, you know, if we look at this, just look at how, look at this, okay? And then on a weekly basis, look at this, right? You see this? Just this part right here where you move, I'm going to delete it. Right there. And then on a monthly basis, it looks the same just without that breakout upwards. I mean, this thing could see prices like above 50 bucks here pretty soon. It is possible. Yeah. And if it happens the same way as PLTR did, I mean, it would be an explosive move all the way up to 65 bucks, man, or higher. This could be a good one. This actually could be a good one. I do think it wants to move higher from here. That's PMTS. Anyways, ASTS. I spent a little extra time on that just because Dr. Mike was giving it some oomph in the chat, man. He was making it sound pretty interesting. And from a chart perspective, I could see it happening. I mean, it literally looks like that PLTR just on a monthly instead of on a weekly, but still. Doesn't matter time frames, man. Patterns are patterns. And it does look good for what it's worth. So if what you were saying was true, Mike, then yeah, it could be good, man. Who knows? It really could be. Let's see. Tony Tacos. This thing's in a downtrend. Probably stays in a downtrend for its whole life, and it goes to zero. But it's at $2.95 right now. I bet you'll see prices above $5, maybe even above $5.50 before moving lower. Yeah, that's my genuine opinion. And with that, I leave you, man. With that, I leave you. If there's any of these that I would say is the winner, it's really hard to say. PLTR looks pretty damn good. SMCI looks good, but it needs to take a break, I think. PMTS really might stand to gain the most in the shortest amount of time. If it does well, if it breaks, if it does the same thing that PLTR did, then yeah. But that remains to be seen. So I suppose Dr. Mike Burry, you're the one that won this one tonight, man. So congratulations. That's all I got for you guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you all for coming. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.